CodeGrade is your online assistant for computer science education. Whether you teach Introduction to Programming, Web Development, Data Science, or Statistics in R, teachers from all over the world use CodeGrade to streamline coding courses in over 180 programming languages. CodeGrade is designed by instructors for instructors. Teachers report saving time and headaches with CodeGrade. Automatically grade code style, code structure, and code functionality for any programming language, and add personal feedback effectively and consistently using rubrics and inline feedback snippets. Large classroom sizes? Follow your students' progress in real time with learning analytics. Students love CodeGrade too. Students can code directly in any LMS with our integrated IDE. They can run their code to get instant feedback, refine their code, and resubmit. That's what we call a great feedback loop, which supercharges student engagement and academic results. And that's not all. Use our many code-specific instructor tools like code plagiarism detection, peer feedback, student groups, Git integration, assignment analytics, hand-in requirements, a REST API, or simply use built-in content to set up your course in minutes. Use CodeGrade integrated with any LMS learning tool and workflow. We're here to help coding instructors and will help you get started in no time so you and your students benefit from CodeGrade from the first second you use it. Want to see more? Sign up for a free teacher account and demo via codegrade.com today.